first minute of the game, lay kickoff le. This is how they were shaping up. Ne? So the 5 arrows le, and then this is the 2. This is the 3. So as Kaizer Chiefs players, these 2 must be here. 1, 2. These 2 midfielders must be here. They must not come in here, because if Uzala, now it's 4 players, lava by 3 by mid. Remember, you need to be inside the pocket as the double pivot. So they did it most of the time, but sometimes especially late in the first half. This is how they're supposed to be. But the Kaizer Chiefs needs to have, remember the right back, Imele, right? Right back, Imele, straight line nama defenders. So you needed Ulilepo to be here. Ulilepo must be here, and then Umtu must be here. Angiti, the left back is here. This is the right winger here. The left winger here. So Umtu is playing as a 10. Umtu Umele Azela, and then Ulilepo Azela. There's no one here. This is the striker, Usilva. It's Pumile. But this was a bad pass. But this is what Kaizer Chiefs wanted to do the whole game. Another example. Be here. There's no need for a midfielder to be here. Because be here. Play in the pocket. There's no need. It does not need people to be in a hurry. The first 15 minutes of a game, the Chiefs were doing it well. It's just that I don't know what happened. They started doing Izinto Zabo, because this is the perfect way to do it. You as the center back, we are relaxed. As soon as he comes to press the ball, then you can play one of these 2. In this case, he is supposed to drag. The left winger is supposed to be in the straight line nama defend, so that Umtu can come in here if Agangega Kunugul Toli Polala. But this was perfect. This was perfect.